Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video I'll be showing you how to make perfect finger wave, especially if you haven't done it before. Stay tuned, let me show you the trick and the secret to achieve a flawless finger wave.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
All we need to make this hairstyle is our sectioning clip. We need our pins, lots of pins. We need our gel and we need our comb.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
I'm just going to comb this part, comb it. I'm putting some hairspray. I'm just combing it to take all those fly away. Put my pins and I'll be putting the other sectioning pin on the other side just to make sure it's well secure.
Cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
I'm just going to be taking the hair, push it with the comb. I'm using the comb to just push it behind and leave the comb there. I'm going to be putting my pin in behind the comb. Just put it behind the comb and put the other one. Make sure it's well secure. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up.
Your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.
I'm just making sure the hair is balanced, like I'm walking on the right position. I'm putting my pin. I'm going to be using this comb. We are going like a zigzag. This is quite easy. You just use the comb to kind of sweep it up, and I'm still going to put the pin. You just put two pins. This will help the hair to stay secure. We don't want it moving anywhere. I'm not using any gel or spray, so just do it. When you're doing it and if it doesn't work, just take it out and redo it again. And make sure you have your pins, everything with you, and just keep on moving. I'm just going to use a little bit of hairspray there, use my comb and just kind of twirl it around. I'm using a pin just to ank it up because that is a little bit too small for the pin. I'm going to be going to the front now. I'm just going to be using this pin. This is open pin, and let me just get it close to you to see. Just pull the pin. Make sure the pin is on top of the clip. I'm putting this so that we're going to be taking the clip off so that we don't leave any clip mark on it. That's why we are doing that. Just push the pin in. We're just going to go quickly in a fast motion now.
Doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door.
This finger wave is perfect for like a wedding or just like a quick easy style you want to do, and this is it. And just make sure the pin is well secure and use any of your spray, but use like kind of a hard spray. I'm using this, or you can use any of this one. Just any spray can do, just a solid spray. Take out the pins when it's dry. This is dry now. I'm just taking out the pin and I'm just going to pin it at the bottom to make it a little bit secure because we don't want it sliding off. So just pin it under. Use those pins to just pin it under. You see what I'm doing now. Just pin. You can use a little bit smaller pin because that's kind of in a bigger side. Just pin it the side, the two sides. Make sure it's secure. If the pin is showing, take out the pin and pin it properly again. And I know you're going to be able to recreate this quick, easy finger wave without stress. Guys, if you have seen my video more than 2 times and you haven't yet subscribed, I think the universe is calling you to subscribe to this channel. Just wrap the ends. Any style you want to do with the back, you can coil it, you can round it, just tuck it in. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and see you in the next video. We love you all. Bye bye.
I wanna take it all in. I'm falling. The cityscape by night.